bitch, that's when we gon' ball out. Yeah, we going well. We just tryna get rich, you know, easy well.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. Sheek here, Sheek TV. You already know. Sheek TV is where everything lives. Okay, y'all, we got beauty, we got vlogs, we got it all. Okay, so I'm doing it big. We coming back better, bigger. We doing it all. But let's just get right into it. As y'all can see from the title, it is time to style these braids. I want to hurry up and give y'all a little bit of something before the braids are gonna come out, because it's been a while and I did not do any videos with the braids. But we're gonna get right into it. Y'all go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Okay, so for this video, it is brought to you by the Taliah Waajid Protective Styles line. Okay, I'm really excited for this because it strengthens, conditions, and restores. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get it started. We got some growth oil, okay? We got some dry gel shampoo, okay? And we got some restoring serum, okay? And then we got the bamboo coconut milk. My channel is really about it all. When I talk about that, I am going to go ahead and put some growth oil in my hair because it's been a while. This growth oil little thick. So my channel is about hair. My channel is about lifestyle. My channel is about being the ultimate bad peach, okay? Because that's just really what it's about. Like, when I started my channel, it was just all about hair and where I was trying to go and who I was trying to reflect and what influencers I wanted to emulate and all that, right? We doing all of that. But it just got to the point where it was like, I have to work and I have to do this, and I can't really focus on what I need to focus on. So I really just could not focus on the things that I needed to focus on. It was just getting a little bit out of hand, overwhelming. You know, when I was living out in Boston, because now I live in Atlanta. So if y'all don't know, I am from Boston, but I live in Atlanta. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the dry shampoo in because we need a little bit of dry shampoo. Who don't need a little bit of dry shampoo? So living in Boston, I wasn't doing events. I wasn't out doing what I needed to do the ways I wanted to do them. It was just like I would go to events as they would come, instead of like being able to actually find events. Like out here, I could find an event like every day. Like, there's probably an event going on tonight. But now that I'm kind of like, you know, I took my little year of getting out there, getting people to know who I am and what I'm doing, it's like now I could really sit back and kind of go back to the basics. I could go back to making my videos, because now people want to see, like, well, why are you getting ready? Where are you going? Why do you keep yourself you know, up? Why do you hold yourself to that standard? I think there's a lot of questions that some people may have that I don't answer. There's a lot of representation that I don't show because I'm so kind of busy and I'm moving and I'm grooving and I'm doing so much for other people. Listen, we are on this other people train right now, okay, y'all? And this is some leave-in conditioner. I just want to get this in the braids, you know, because you always want to make sure you're hydrating the braids too. I will put mousse and stuff in my hair, but leave-in conditioner is really important, y'all. My mom's like, you need to make them look a little shiny. I'm like, I know, right? My hair was looking dull, y'all. It was looking dull. Like, we need to do a little something with it. But ideally, I am gonna style these braids. I'm gonna do like maybe 4 styles. I'll give y'all 4 styles, okay? 4 of my basic styles that I do. You know, some go-tos, maybe some cute ones. I'm thinking of some right now with these earrings. I feel like when you style your hair, it's based off your look, the look you're going for. I feel like right now, because I don't even have lashes in right now, I feel like it's giving like that mature, natural look. You know, I could look my age without looking my age, you feel me? When I spray the braids, y'all, it's actually giving me a little glow. Quickest style, you want your elastic bands. This is a style, like, I'm looking up my hair right now and I'm kind of just like oh, that's cute, you know. And I just did the festival, the picnic, the R&B picnic. I will have that on my page. So if y'all haven't seen that yet, or if y'all already seen it, check it out. But they was like vibing out there, y'all. They was vibing. So I just want to keep that look for some reason right now. Like festival vibes. It's festival season. But here's like one style, kind of just real chill. You could kind of bring these down a little bit more if you want it to not be so high up. Of course, like that, okay? Okay, so this is the slick back. So still mature, still youthful, you know. Y'all see me in my mature ages now, okay? So we got the slick back. I like this style because it just does what it needs to do. Okay. And then from this style, like if you really wanted to, you could kind of do a bun with it. So like just kind of take it like this and twist it. This is like if I'm going, you know, I could go out with this. You know, we doing the damn thing. And then of course, if I wanted to add a little, I'll do, you know, one little scrunchie around because we give a real mamacita. Hola, mami. Hello. Okay. So what was that? That was 1, 2, 3 styles. Okay, I'm going to give y'all one more because this is my favorite style. I like this style when my edges start to get a little nappy like they are. And when they get like that, I use my Kiss edge control. I ain't gonna put no more edge control tonight, y'all, because then it starts to look a little crazy. And then I like my scrunchies with my hair. And this is the thing, all people, I be selling my scrunchies, y'all. Go to my page, get some scrunchies. But like on my page, I sell my scrunchies, and I like it because it doesn't pull my hair too much like the rubber bands actually do. So you got it like that. But I don't like when my edges start to get fuzzy. So I will like you know, lay them down. But I really just want to show y'all that because every time I get my braids, I always forget to give y'all a style video. So that was about like 4 or 5 styles right there. Okay, who was counting? And then we ain't mastered the edges yet, but I like my edges to be natural. Let them just kind of grow in as they do their thing. And then oh yeah, did I tell you I got new gray hair? I got new gray hair. So I just wanted to show y'all this video real quick. It was nothing crazy, nothing too long. You know, we're gonna have some long videos, some short videos. Listen, Taliah Waajid. I will be at the Natural Hair Fest on the 23rd and the 25th of April, and y'all look out for me in their men's den. I'm so excited for this. Thank you, Taliah Waajid and the family, for this opportunity, because listen, your girl about to be outside doing the damn thing. But that's just what we doing this year, and y'all just keep staying tuned because we have more red carpets, more all of that. I just gotta get right. We gotta get these sponsors in. We got a lot of things we gotta do. But anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. Make sure I hit that subscribe button, and if y'all like these products, maximum treatment and protection on there, let me know if y'all like them. I will list them below in the comments and on my like to know site as well. So I'll see y'all later. Check me out and let's get it. Bye.
Can't call yourself a boss, so you put your dogs on. All I see is dollar signs all up on my call. All I put